Good morning. Come on into the garden. Today is going to be a gorgeous day, and I need to get this done before the sun comes out because it's going to be a hot one too. I'll give you a view of this just incredible valley behind me. As the sun starts to peek up, it looks gorgeous. So I'll give you that view in just a second. But today, if you're thinking about growing tomatoes, then you definitely want to watch this video because I'm going to show you how Evan built me some tomato cages. So this little cage is in a raised bed that's up off the ground. I asked Evan to put one together for me because my little pear tomatoes were going a little bit crazy. So we had some extra material from the tomato cage I'm going to show you in the back. And he built me this pretty quick, just stapled it together, and then we screwed it into the sides of the beds. It has been absolutely great. I can tie them on here. I can use twine. I've gone through and put some little diagonals or little extra areas that I can secure to. You can also go across the top with your twine and then do just strings down and secure it to that. If you want to see a couple of different ways to do your tomatoes, Bridget from San Diego Seed Company did a video about growing tomatoes, a really extensive video. It's great. So I'll make sure it's in the description so you can watch that. Also, if you're going to be trellising, this is our third trellis. So far we've showed you how we built a cucumber trellis. We've shown you the ladder trellis. And then Holly Capelli from Big Family Living just did a video on 11 different vertical structures in her garden. So if you need any ideas about going vertical, you definitely want to watch Holly's video. And if you subscribe, you'll be able to follow her garden. She just planted something like 350 or 400 plants. Her garden is going to be amazing this season, and she can show you how she uses all of those trellises. And I think her and her husband have added 3 more. So she might be up to 14 or 15 different vertical structures. So make sure to watch that. So this is one structure, and now I'm going to go show you another larger 6-foot tomato cage that Evan built for me. I actually built that one for a raised bed, but you could use it if you have in-ground tomatoes as well. So come on, let's go look at that. But first, I promised to show you this view. So here it is, this morning's view. Isn't it great how that sun just peeks out over there? All right, so now we're in the back area, and I tried to position this so you could see the whole trellis, but actually it's the top's way up here. This is 6 foot tall. It's about just over 2 feet this way, 16 inches this way, and it's perfect for this raised bed that I wanted it built for. So I asked Evan to use that wood that we've used for the other trellises, the cucumber and the ladder trellis, and that little trellis in the front. So the redwood 2x2 pieces that were 8 feet long. So here we have 4 of them that are 6 feet. And then we have 5 different rungs here. So we have 10 pieces at 16 inches and then 10 pieces at 24 inches. So basically he ripped these in half to make my rungs on the side. So I believe we used about 8 pieces, maybe just under 8, to build this whole thing. And I absolutely love it. It's nailed together, so I can fit it this way in the bed, or I can turn it and I can put it up against the back if I want to. Just like in the front, I could use some twine as well if these openings are a little bit bigger than what I want them to be. Some people you will see do kind of a diagonal bar in between theirs, and I think it does help you vine it a little bit more. Now, of course, I built these for tomatoes, but you can use it for other vining plants. I mean, it would be pretty with some flowers vining up while the tomatoes are growing inside. There are just so many uses for something like this. You could do peas and beans, and you could even do some of your larger squash or pumpkin or something like that. You could use this for so many things. And because it's redwood, it's going to last a while. Now it is raw, so it's rough. Again, just like the other pieces, you want to be careful when handling it. You might want to wear gloves so you don't get splinters. I've learned that the hard way, so that's a really good tip to give you. But so far, absolutely love it. This took Evan, so most of the projects that I've shown you, all the trellises, have taken a couple of hours. This one might have taken maybe 2.5, and that's only because he had to do all that, rip all of these with the table saw, then put it together, plus I had him do that other one while he was at it. So, but very easy to build. I'm going to show you Evan's process at the end, just like the other videos, so you can see him putting it together. Now, again, if you want to see what we do with these trellises, plus if you want to see Bridget's 1 acre farm and how she's growing hers, and then Holly Capelli and Raish will also be growing tomatoes and other plants this season. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can grow along with us. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I will also make sure that in the description I link to those other videos, plus any other articles that'll help you grow more tomatoes, bigger tomatoes this season. So thanks again for joining me, and I will see you guys again soon. Happy gardening.